Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration. Best minimalist modern house design for tiny luxury homes, open plan and nature-inspired living ideas. Imagine walking into a home that instantly makes you feel calm, grounded, and inspired, where every corner has a purpose and every design choice speaks of effortless elegance. Today, we're diving into the world of minimalist modern house designs tailored especially for tiny luxury homes. These homes prove that small spaces can still feel expansive, stylish, and deeply connected to nature. If you've ever dreamed of open-plan living that flows seamlessly with the outdoors, this video is for you. Let's explore how thoughtful design, smart layout, and nature-inspired elements come together to create stunning spaces that are as luxurious as they are minimalist. The power of open-plan living in small spaces. Minimalist design thrives on openness, and that's where open-plan layouts shine. By removing unnecessary walls and combining living, dining, and kitchen spaces into one fluid area, you instantly make a small home feel larger and more breathable. Light flows more freely, conversations continue seamlessly across spaces, and every inch is used to its full potential. Add floor-to-ceiling windows or sliding glass doors, and suddenly your living room doesn't stop at the walls. It extends out into the garden, patio, or balcony. Pro tip: opt for furniture that doubles up on function. Think storage ottomans, extendable dining tables, or sleek built-ins that minimize clutter while maximizing utility. nature-inspired materials, and organic textures. When designing a minimalist luxury tiny home, materials matter just as much as layout. The use of natural, organic textures adds warmth and depth to what might otherwise be a cold or overly sterile minimalist look. Incorporate raw wood, smooth stone, bamboo, rattan, linen, and other earth tone textures. These elements soften straight lines and clean finishes, grounding your space and connecting it to the natural world. Whether it's a wooden accent wall behind your bed, polished concrete floors, or natural fiber rugs, bringing nature inside invites calm and comfort into your everyday routine, even in a tiny footprint. Seamless indoor-outdoor transitions. Here's where your tiny home truly becomes a luxury retreat. One of the most impactful trends in modern minimalist architecture is blurring the lines between indoors and out. Use large glass doors that open fully to an outdoor seating area, kitchen garden, or even a minimalist deck space. Create visual continuity using similar materials and color palettes both inside and out. And if you're building from scratch or remodeling, consider including a small internal courtyard or green nook with vertical gardens, ideal for both natural light and serenity. Quick break. If you're enjoying these ideas so far, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Tap that like button and drop a comment below. Tell us which feature is your favorite so far, or how you design your dream tiny home. Your feedback means a lot and helps us grow this community of design lovers like you. Alright, back to more dreamy minimalist magic. Built-in elegance, smart storage, and multifunctional design. Luxury in a small home means never feeling cramped. And the key to that? Smart, seamless storage. Built-ins are your best friend in minimalist homes. They make everything feel intentional and tidy. Think about floor-to-ceiling shelving that blends into the walls, under-bed storage, and hidden compartments in stairs or under window benches. Custom cabinetry with push-to-open doors maintains the sleek minimalist aesthetic while hiding away daily essentials. And let's not forget the kitchen. Handleless cabinetry, built-in appliances, and slide-out pantry drawers keep things visually clean while maximizing function. Minimalism isn't about owning less, it's about owning with purpose. Furniture as a privacy tool, smart layout tricks. You can actually use your furniture to create separation and coziness without building anything. Tall shelving units, outdoor cabinets, or even a row of potted plants on a bench can act as functional dividers. Choose dual-purpose furniture like storage benches or plant stands to maximize every inch. Layer textures, a woven rug, soft cushions, and cozy throws to make your space feel enclosed and intimate. Pro move: arrange your seating to face inward, away from neighboring balconies. This subtle shift in layout enhances your sense of privacy without needing any construction. And there you have it, 5 super easy, visually stunning apartment balcony privacy ideas that turn any open space into a dreamy retreat. Whether you're leaning into nature, elegance, or modern design, there's a solution that fits your style and your budget. So go ahead, give your balcony the glow-up it deserves. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment below with your favorite idea or how you've transformed your own space. Until next time, enjoy your little outdoor sanctuary and keep creating spaces that feel like you.